Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and a while back I set out to make what was the best pie I could imagine. And this is a simplified version of what I came up with. It's got a bottom layer of Carob Ganache and a top layer of coffee mousse. And it's a great combination of flavors. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let me show you how to do it. So we're going to start by making the pie crust, and you can do this following any of my previous videos where I have a pie crust made, and bake it at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. Now for the first layer, we're going to make the carob layer, and we're going to start with a half a cup of coconut butter, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter cup of carob powder, or you could use cocoa powder if you want to make it chocolate, and 1 can of coconut milk. Mix them together in a saucepan over medium heat, and just keep stirring that together until it completely dissolves, and then pour it into the baked pie shell. And then you want to put that in the refrigerator and let that chill until it's firm. Next, we're going to make the coffee mousse by taking 1 cup of cashews, which have been soaked overnight and rinsed, with a half a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of instant coffee. And we're going to blend those together. Until it's all completely combined and smooth. And then pour that mixture into a saucepan. And we're going to heat this up over medium heat. And while that's heating up, we're going to take 1 tablespoon of kuzu with a couple of tablespoons of water, just enough to dissolve it. And stir that until the kuzu is completely dissolved. Once the coffee mixture comes to a boil, we're going to add in the kuzu mixture and then lower the heat and continue whisking that together. And that will pretty quickly start to thicken. And then we're also going to add in 1 teaspoon of agar powder. Or if you don't have powder, 1 tablespoon of flakes. And whisk that in and continue cooking that over low heat until everything is completely dissolved. And then once that is completely cooled and chilled, we're going to place that in a stand mixer and whip that up in the stand mixer at high speed. And once that's all smooth, we're going to add in the thick coconut milk from the top of a can of coconut milk which has been chilled overnight. And just continue whipping that until it's nice and whipped and airy and light. And then pour that over the carob on the bottom and just smooth that out. And then chill that until it's completely set, and it is ready to serve. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.